is Shereen. Welcome to my channel. I'm a classical vocal student by day and a formally trained professional makeup artist. So I'm here to help especially performers with their stage makeup. And if you're not a performer, no worry. You can follow my makeup if you really like the look. It's you can maybe go it with your party or wear a photo shoot, just not for a day makeup. So this video, I would like to kickstart my 101 series on makeup. So I will be touching skin preps, I will be touching foundations, I will be touching eyeshadow, I'll be touching blushes, contouring, highlighting, etc. So today I will start with skin prep for my 101 series. So there are three ways actually you can do a skin prep. So let's dive in. Why do we need a skin prep before makeup? Before I'm doing this video, I'm reading a lot about this, just to prepare. And I came across a quote that I really like, which is there's this makeup artist quote saying that it's almost like painting, you need a fresh, new, white, clean canvas. So that's the same theory. Your face needs to be clean, needs to be on a good condition, so your makeup would actually have the best result of your makeup, and your makeup will stay longer. And of course, with all the preparations, your skin condition will be much better, and your skin will be much smoother to apply makeup. So how do we decide how do we prep our skin? So now we have to look at our skin condition. So I will start touching about oily skin. So for oily skin, you might want to start with a anti-sebum or oil sebum control face wash to begin with. And also after that, you can use a sebum control toner or serum or moisturizer. So make sure your moisturizer is a gel type, not a cream one, because cream might actually makes your skin oilier. So you just want to be careful with that. And there are serums like niacinamide that can help sebum control. So you can put niacinamide on, for example, before you put on your moisturizer, for example. And then you have combination skin, which is oily on the T-zone and dry on the cheek and jaw area. So you also want to go with a gel face wash and toner, and also moisturizer or any serums that is targeting combination skin. And then we have sensitive skin, so anything that's used for sensitive skin should be gentle. So the formulation should be very gentle for your skin, not causing any irritating. And I also think it's good to avoid physical scrub, because you those kind of sand scrub with beaded scrubs. I think those would actually be quite a little bit harsh for sensitive skin. And last, I will touch about dry skin, dehydrated skin, and mature skin. So for this kind of skin, for this skin condition, you would like to have something which is more like a cream or oil-based cleanser and a toner, and let's say a really heavy cream moisturizer to help you soothe dry skin, so that in the end your makeup, when you apply powder on your makeup and it doesn't crack or it doesn't make you uncomfortable. Because I have dry skin personally, so if my skin is not well hydrated when I put on my makeup, and I'll have cracks, I would have patches of makeup. So yeah, let's dive in the first type of how you can prep your skin. So I will take my skin as an example. So this is the ordinary Squalane cleanser. So according to the instruction, I will need to pump some on my palm, and then I will have to rub it. So what it does is that the heat of your palms help to melt the cream. So it's like a cream to oil thing, but you have to rub it, apply heat, then it will melt and become like an oil texture. So I just gently rub over my skin. I'm sure usually there are some places for you to have a sink, you know, to be able to wash your face. But I personally would use this is a makeup remover cloth from Norwex. So as you can see, um, so I would rather clean my face with a damp cloth than, you know, splashing water all over my face, you know. Yeah, it's gonna wet my clothes, it's gonna wet my hair. So to reduce the mess, and I would use a makeup remover cloth and soak it with water, wet it, and then wipe it off and whatever it is on your skin. Alternatively, you can use wet wipes, or you can use the other microfiber cloth, or any type of makeup remover cloth, or just a normal cloth would do, or cleaning sponge would do as well. So I just wet it. Yeah, I have a bowl of water in here, so I don't have to run to the bathroom. Okay, so I just gently wipe my face. Yeah. Okay, you might want to clean your neck a little bit. This thing really cleans like magic. So move on. I would be using a Hada Labo Hyaluronic Acid+Firming lotion. So you can, I think you can get this on Amazon or anywhere else drugstore that has Asian beauty product, or if you know any Asian product beauty website. I got this in Malaysia. So it's actually a toner, but the Japanese products, they call it a lotion. So I just rub it on my palm and just lightly tap it. Okay, so it's absorbed in, so my skin is really dry, so it absorbs like a dry sponge, you know, like comes absorb me. Okay, so I'll be using this CeraVe moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, and so do take note that what I mentioned about what different skin condition needs to use a different type of moisturizer. So I use, this is kind of like a bit gelish kind of. Yeah, so I actually mix with my the ordinary hyaluronic acid. So I mix it a little bit. So what hyaluronic acid does is that it helps your skin to absorb more moisture, and so it creates a plumper and more, and it does makes your skin more hydrated. So yeah, just to save time, I mix the two together. Then I just put on my skin, and then before it's finished absorbing, I put my eye cream at the same time. I'll be using Clinique. The only thing I splurge is eye cream. Well, as a student, I'm supposed to stay on budget, but unfortunately, I couldn't find any eye cream which is on a cheaper range that does the hydration really well. Unless you know something, do comments or do private message me, like if you have better, cheaper eye cream which is creamy and works. So I just gonna rub it with two of my fingers, just spread it, and then just dab under my eyes and massage it a little bit. So I have a beauty gadget, Ultrasonic face scrubber. So sorry, my lighting, you can't see. Yeah, it does have 3 modes. So it has cleansing, moisturizing, and lifting. So how it works is that I have to switch it on. Yeah, sorry, I have a very funny robotic kind of sound. So I will pick the moisturizing function and just go through the blade a bit. So this is ultrasonic cleaner is really more renowned for its efficiency in cleaning, like, you know, removing blackheads, removing dirt, removing removing dead skin cells and so on. But it does have like function to help to massage your creams in, and because it's a very high frequency of vibration, so it does help to massage your products in. Okay, so the first type of prep done. So this is very easy, and makeup stay longer. You can definitely do this, and you would definitely have all these products in your bathroom, I guarantee. So let's move on to the second way to prep your skin. The cleansing and the moisturizer would stay the same. There was one thing I would add in this routine, which is a face mask. So again, I would demonstrate it by cleaning my skin. So this time I change a little bit. So let's say if you have oily skin, so I have this Corsx Salicylic Acid face wash. So it claims that it helps with removing excess sebum. So I'm gonna do this like so. This is the cream, and then I'm just gonna lightly wet my face again with my non-wax cloth. Tip a bit. Okay, so just gonna foam it up. I would use my 3 or 4 fingers like this, just gently massaging it, clean it. Make sure you clean your hairline as well and nose. So I'll be using just 2 fingers to just rub in. So same thing, I'm gonna use the Hada Labo Hyaluronic Acid+Firming lotion to tone my skin. So just, I would usually rub it like this and just gently tap it into your skin. Okay, and so I'll be using this AHC lifting and hydrating mask, and I really highly recommend this mask. Before I discovered this mask, I was never much of a mask person. They just don't work, and they're so pricey, you know, just doesn't work. But this thing actually works. So it's for lifting and hydrating. So I just want to pop this mask on. Okay. Okay. Boom. Yeah. So this is easy. So this mask takes 15 minutes. So sorry, I forgot this little thing. Within this 15 minutes, you can, you know, go do your hair or have a coffee, you know, just relax. So I'm gonna go make coffee. After the coffee break, I'll come back and I'll show you the results of this. So 15 minutes is done, you people. So I'm gonna take this off. And then I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use this to massage in so it absorbs quicker. And look at that. So basically after the mask, you can start your makeup primer and immediately start with your makeup. So now I'll be touching the third way on how to do a prep before makeup. So this time I'm gonna go in with the ordinary Squalane cleanser. So I just pop it a little bit on my palm, just gently rub it to melt the cream. Oh, this is one of the best cleanser that I ever bought. It's actually, I use it as a makeup remover, and it cleans like this, you know. It's of course micellar water cleanser are great, but these are also great if you have dry skin. So again, I'm gonna take my non-wax makeup remover cloth, just gonna start cleaning this way, and then I go in with my Hada Labo lifting and firming lotion like I did before. But if you have any other sort of toners or this kind of lotions, you're welcome to use. So this is just a demonstration of from what I have. I just lightly tap it in. And don't forget your neck as well, it's very important. This time what's different is that I'll be using this Vichy Live Active Glyco seed. So this is an ampoule. So an ampoule is actually a very concentrated version of a serum. So it kind of works like very instantly. So this does have a vitamin C properties and a brightening properties. So how you use it is that usually they give you this little plastic cap thing. So you just have to kind of break it. Ow. Yeah, it's a bit dangerous, be careful. So depend on you. So it's recommended that you put this little tube thing on the ampoule. It's a real glass, like be really careful. Like just now I just get a little cut from it, so be very cautious. It's real glass. So you just, what you have to do is just pour on your palm. So you can kind of palm from here, yes. So you can kind of see it's a transparent kind of liquid. So you won't be seeing me dripping products on my face, because I think it's kind of wasting the product, and it's actually not good when you overuse product. It makes the skin very oily, and you know, it would have actually the opposite of the skin prep. So you make your skin really oily, you know, very heavy, and it's really not nice for skin. So this absorbs almost immediately, as opposite the face mask. So I would also use my CeraVe moisturizer. So I hope you like this video with my 101 prep. So if you really find that this is very educational, you've learned something, please thumbs up and like my video. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and also do comments in below if you think that there's anything I can improve, or if I have made any mistake, or if you'd like to discuss you know, skin prep before makeup, or you have any ideas, you can also type it in the comment. And I hope to watch you next. See ya, bye.